Hi there, my name's Roger, and I got the pop-on veneers for cosmetic reasons. I'm an actor, and I also have a day job as a host. It's a game changer. These pop-on veneers are fantastic. They look so natural and so real, everybody thinks they're my teeth. It's great for welcoming people to our restaurant, and it's terrific if I'm ever going to be selling toothpaste on TV. Just pop them on, like so. And now I'm ready for my close-up. So give it a thought. Take a look into it. It might be just right for you. I'm sure you'll really enjoy it. My agent, my manager says they look fantastic, and it's personally gives you more confidence. And as an actor and somebody that works with the public, it's nice to have that confidence. And you can have that confidence with pop-on veneers. Enjoy them. I know I do.